Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. So I've already filmed this video, and when I came to edit the video there was no sound on this part, so here I am. Luckily the actual DIY part of the video is okay, so at least that's something, because without that there would be no video. So I just thought I would redo this part of the video. As you saw from the beginning, I have upcycled some of these canisters that I've had in the house for quite a while now. My style has changed drastically throughout the years, and I was all into like the marble, silvers, greys, that kind of vibe, and now I'm into a lot more like earthy, neutral tones. So yeah, I just thought what better way to upcycle the canisters rather than just get rid of them or buy new ones. Already got them in the house, so why not? So hopefully I've inspired someone out there to recreate something like this. You don't have to do exactly what I've done. You can use any household appliances or items or decor that you've got in the house that you no longer like the look of, or just like if the style or the colour's not fitting in with your style, then yeah, you can just upcycle them. The canisters don't just have to be used as canisters again for like your sugar, new coffee and everything. You could even use them as like makeup brush holders, or even like a vase, or like in my bathroom. I'm in my bathroom now, so let me just show you. I don't really know what you call you know, like just for like your earbuds and stuff. You could use it for that, or even if you have something like this and you don't want it to be clear anymore, then you can just paint it. I just think it's a much better way of like recycling your items and not just chucking them away and buying new expensive ones. So if I did inspire someone to recreate something like this, then please do let me know in the comment section. Also like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! So this is what the canisters looked like before. I made sure that they were nice and clean, and then just got straight to it and started painting. I put the lids to one side as they were already in a similar colour, so I didn't feel the need to paint these. For the purpose of the video, I just used a hairdryer to dry the paint. I'm quite impatient, so I wasn't about to wait around for the paint to dry. It's completely up to you though. If you do have the time, then you can just wait. So now they're all dry, I can start painting the second coat. And start again. So you can see from the video that the second coat really helps cover the pattern that's underneath. And this is how the canisters turned out. I'm really impressed with the way that they look. This is such an easy and affordable upcycle that anybody can do. And now that the tray has been painted black, I think that they both complement each other really well. Let me know in the comments section below if you decide to recreate something similar to this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Okay, so I forgot to show you, but after the first DIY I had a little bit of paint left over, so I just thought, why not just upcycle this utensil holder that I have. So from Dunelm, they actually have a range of these kind of marble effect kitchen items. So I brought the canisters, I brought the utensil holder. They also do like a biscuit jar and a bread bin, I think. But yeah, so I just thought, let's do it. I didn't film this part, but I'm going to show you it now. So This is the utensil holder. So yeah, I love it. I'm going to put a picture on screen of the utensil holder that is from Hudson and Home. So theirs is about £22 and I did this for £1.49 because literally it's just the paint. So I already had the item, I just bought the paint. This section here was already like that, so I didn't paint that and I didn't paint the back section either. I just thought might as well leave it, and I think it looks actually quite nice having the two like tones on there. So yeah, I'll leave a link to this below, and as well as the other canisters as well, because someone might actually want to just buy this kind of style in the marble print, or if you want to actually do the same thing as me and use the same items, then I will leave that down below. I think they are actually on offer at the moment, so grab a bargain while you can. But thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.